My first job with Atria was a receptionist, and I loved it. So after working as a receptionist and finishing school, I eventually became the CVD. You have to be a multitasker and really know how to prioritize because you're responsible for many different areas. From that point, I became the ED. I learned that you have to lead by example, and so I learned to be a servant leader and to do a lot more focus on teamwork. And just last year, I came into this amazing role of RVP. It's different, but it's sort of the same. It's take care of your residents, take care of your employees, and do so while also providing optimal quality of service. It's fascinating to see all of the amazing programs that we have in place to give you a chance to go further in your career, tuition reimbursement, scholarship opportunities. We have, development plans to help the employees in different areas where they want to be stronger or learn about. I'm so humbled, and I have so much appreciation for everyone who believed in me because I didn't know that I could do it. But then it goes back to tell you, you have a super amazing system of people who support you and help you develop into whatever you want to be. I tell my story. This is what I have done, and you can do it too. What are you interested in? Because there are so many different areas where you can grow within Atria. And it's exciting times to be working for this amazing company. And so that's why I'm always excited about telling people, come on board. You can go far and you can go places. We're growing. We are a great company to work for. And I don't know where it's going to take me, but I'll be here.